So my name is Jacob Allen. I'm currently the BIM department manager here at JRT. I've been doing it for about 3 years now on the BIM VDC side. Then prior to that, spent 13 years in the field as a plumber and foreman running work. So migrated my way up to become the computer guy basically. So the workflows before Stratus, everything was analog. Everything was on sheets. Stickers, we had to manually export Excel spreadsheets and basically put sheets in our printer, print them out, and you literally have to peel the sticker off, pull a measurement by tape, and cut your pipe. It was I would say it was a pretty analog process, and now with Stratus, it's very streamlined, very digital workflow. The second I spool it up, it's literally to the fab floor, Tiger Stop, gets sent to Tiger Stop, and there's no manually pulling tape measures. Minimizes a lot on the error side, I would say, when you're able to do that. People tend to read tape measures upside down. Something that was supposed to be cut at 39 gets cut at 93. That whole issue's gone. So it's been a massive improvement on, not just on the CAD side, but on the fab side, I feel as well. It's saved us quite a bit of time. I've tracked actually between two very similar projects, how we did it in the past versus how we do it now with Stratus, and it brought from the spooling standpoint for CAD, brought it up about 300% of an increase in production. And with that, you have, if you're spending less time spooling and dealing with tags and numbers and all that stuff, you're modeling more. So basically that has allowed us to model a lot more, not just content, but I'd say far more complex content. So a good example, like mechanical rooms. We're getting into building all of our mechanical rooms now here in the fab shop, where it would have been very difficult to do that before. If you're trying to put an entire mechanical room on a set of sheets, it would have been a lot of sheets to get that thing to be built accurately, not just from fab, but installed as well. So it's tremendously improved our process there. Yeah, so the seamless communication, the tracking statuses, I think is very huge. Basically, our fab manager can see when I'm done spooling something, I just change the statuses and he's able to know when he can take the material, or he can take those spools from there, and he'll order the material, he'll start building them. And before it was just a lot of email processes, a lot of things get missed. When you're relying on to manually send out an email, stuff falls through the cracks very easily. With Stratus, it's minimized that greatly, where it's just nothing really slips through the cracks anymore. It's all getting captured.